How to make money with affiliate marketing as a beginner. Hey guys, what's up? I'm your host Jason. Not only will I be showing you step by step how others are making anywhere from $100 to $500 per day with affiliate marketing, but I will also be showing you how you can start doing it also. If this sounds good, be sure to hit the like button and also stick around until the end, as I'll be showing you step by step how you can start making money online. So you have decided that you want to start making money online, and as I would recommend, affiliate marketing is definitely one of the best options to do. But the website that I would recommend that you give a shot at first in affiliate marketing is Amazon. So as you can see right here, I'm currently on Amazon.com. The reason why I would recommend that you sign up to be an Amazon affiliate is because it is very straightforward and simple to do, and also Amazon is a very trusted brand. So once you are promoting an Amazon product, persons are more likely to follow through and make a purchase as they trust Amazon as a brand. And also Amazon has some of the best sales page and retargeting of customers. And once you sign up to be an Amazon affiliate and someone taps on your affiliate link, that cookie will stay on their device for 30 days. So within those 30 days, if they decide to go onto Amazon after visiting your link and make a purchase, you will be able to get a commission. The Amazon commission may not be the highest in the affiliate market, but the amount of sales that you will be able to get and also how quickly you'll be able to get that sale definitely makes Amazon one of the best affiliate programs to sign up with. And the platform that I would recommend that you promote your Amazon link with is YouTube. Why would I recommend YouTube? YouTube is one of the most popular, if not the most popular, search platform at the moment online. So once someone goes onto YouTube, for example, as you can see on this page right here, and type in best portable power stations you can buy in 2022, obviously that person is thinking about buying a portable power station and want to see some examples of some that are recommended, some of the top ones that are recommended. So once they go onto your YouTube page, see the product that you are recommending after searching for it, and they see something that they like, they will go into the description of your video, as you can see right here. If I were to tap on this one, as you will be telling them that the links are in the description, so they will go into the description, tap on your link. Once they tap on your affiliate link that you will get from Amazon, if they decide to purchase that item same time, you will get a commission. If they decide to purchase it within 30 days, you will still get a commission. But how to make these videos? As you can see here, if you were to check out this YouTube channel right here, bestproducts.com, all they do is compose videos or pictures that they get from the Amazon website and do a little voiceover, and that's it. And again, if I were to show you this example right here, best reviews, they do the same thing. All they do is compose photos and videos from Amazon, and they do research. For example, best window air conditioners. They do keyword research to find out the most popular buyer keywords that are available, and they do videos on it. Them that I would also recommend that you give a watch is Stemmer Reviews. As the beauty about this channel right here, all of their videos are within 4 to 5 minutes long, as they only compose, as you can see, the top 5 or the top 3 items, and they release videos, a lot of videos per day, as you can see right here. And with this channel, they don't even do voiceovers most of the time. They only have background music playing and the videos that they get. So how will you get the videos from Amazon? For example, you will go onto Amazon.com, and let's say you type in projector. So you're planning to do the 5 best portable projectors for 2022. and you are led to this page right here. Once on this page, as you can see, you will see still pictures of the projector, and you will also see a video. The previous examples that I've showed you, all they are doing is reposting this video that they have gotten from Amazon, and you don't have to worry about getting a copyright strike or anything like that, as the advertisers on Amazon are glad that you're promoting their videos on YouTube, so they won't give you a copyright strike. How will you be able to download this video from Amazon, you may be saying? Well, the downloader that I recommend you use is Video Downloader Professional. You can simply Google it, and once you have Googled it, it will lead you to the Chrome web store, and you can simply download it. Whenever you have downloaded Video Download Professional, whenever you are watching a video on Amazon, you will see the icon right here, the triangle, and you can simply tap on the triangle, then you can tap on download, and it will download the video. After you have downloaded the video, I would recommend that you go onto canva.com. There are other free platforms that you can use to do video editing, but Canva is definitely one of the top free ones. So you'll go onto canva.com and you will create a profile by using your email address. After you have done that, you will simply scroll down and select video, and from here you want to tap on YouTube video. Next, you'll be led to this page right here. Once on this page, you'll simply drag the videos that you have downloaded from Amazon, and you will compose a video, as you can see that I'm doing right here. And then you can either choose to remove the original background sound from the video, and you could do a voiceover, or you could add background music from YouTube if that's what you would want to do. The other thing that I would also recommend that you do, once you have composed the video, I would also recommend that you download TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a plugin that helps with keyword research. As you can see right here, with TubeBuddy you will be able to see the tags that other channels are using, so you could target these same tags, so your video would be able to rank higher, as this definitely gives you an edge over your competition, and it shows you how they are optimizing their videos to rank this high, and it also shows you the amount of videos that they are posting per day. There are numerous things that it shows you. TubeBuddy, you should definitely give that plugin a try. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.